Forgotten username recovery failed on Betterment Checking Fix. If you're struggling to recover your Betterment Checking username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by either using the wrong email or skipping crucial verification steps. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the Betterment app or visit the login page and select Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Betterment will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered automatically, so don't overlook them. Avoid sending multiple recovery requests in a short period, as this can temporarily block access. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather important verification details, such as your full name, recent deposits or withdrawals, and account number. Contact Betterment support directly with this information to expedite the recovery process. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it safely in a password manager or a secure note. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection, preventing future login issues. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Betterment checking account without unnecessary frustration. Proper verification, patience, and secure credential management are key to keeping your funds, account history, and financial tools safe and accessible.